that a number of leading opposition leaders like Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and others have been blocked from going to Lakhimpur Kheri, the site of the violence. Dipinder Hooda joins us, Congress leader, member of parliament. He was along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra when they were stopped. And currently, Dipinder Hooda, you told me that you are right now still in the custody. You're speaking to us from the custody of UP police.
That is right. Both Priyanka ji, as well as myself, and some other leaders, we are in custody very much. They are right now, currently, they have put us in police line, Sitapur, 2nd Battalion PAC police line. That is where they have kept us. And it's really unfortunate how the government has reacted.
Right. So now just tell us what happened exactly last night, because on the screen as we were talking to you, we were playing videos of the confrontation between you and the UP police, a lot of pushing and shoving.
See, first of all, the entire nation, I think, was mourning the loss of lives and was shocked at the grievousness of the incident that took place, the absolute arrogance of power speaking through, a minister's son trying to running over and killing multiple farmers and taking their lives. Now, this agitation has been going on for such a long period of time. The government has completely disregarded farmers and their demands. It's really unfortunate that the government really, indeed, it looks like, wants to crush the voice of the farmers fully. In this context, of course, when the incident took place, as the General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh, Priyanka Gandhi ji, so she wanted to go to meet the families, and so did us. So we wanted to go and meet with the families to at least, be there with them at the moment of mourning. And that's the least that we can do as citizens of this country. Forget about political leaders and political parties, but that's a fundamental, right and a duty for every citizen. If something untoward happens, then you can at least be present in their moment of grief and sorrow. That's all what we wanted. But what happened was, as we left Lucknow, we were chased down by UP police without any proper sanction or proper authority, as if we are the ones who have done something wrong. It is not the minister's son who's done something wrong. It looked like yesterday night, that we are the real criminals and not the people who have perpetuated this crime. And then we were told at one point that, okay, Section 144 is being imposed. So we left all the other people behind as we were approaching the border of Lakhimpur district, and just 4 of us went forward. Let's just 4 of us go. But they stopped us. But, stopping is one thing, but the kind of physical force that they used against us, against Priyanka ji, against me, I don't think the police has any right. We have done no wrong. Why did they use that physical force against Priyanka ji and myself? If they had some orders, we asked them, you show the orders and you take us into custody, you arrest us.
Right.
But they said they don't have any written orders. They have been told by higher ups that they should not allow you people to go. Priyanka ji should not have allowed. Dipinder Hooda should not be allowed to go. Now, what higher ups and what kind of, so this, as a rightful citizen of this country, it's my right to ask them that you cannot just say that higher ups are asking that these people can't go. Tell us, and if there is anything which the authorities have assessed any situation, give us in writing and arrest us. We are ready to give you custody. But they tried to, bulldoze us and use all kind of physical force against us, against Priyanka ji, against myself. I have not seen such kind of high-handedness.
What happened when you say force? What exactly happened? They were pushing you. What was happening?
They pushed. One of the officers pushed Priyanka ji also, and then when I pointed to that officer saying that this officer was pushing her, multiple officers tried to almost, basically they came with a plan, and they 5 or 6 of them, they tried to sort of take me away as if, I mean, it's just Srinivas, you can see some pictures and videos which have come out of how they, and this is just one incident. I think this continued for at least 1 hour. The way we were treated is really unfortunate, but it's not important to us at all. This is not important. This is not important. How we were treated is, the least of worry for the countrymen. What should be worrying the country?
I want to ask you
how the farmers are being treated.
At the moment, they have detained you on what grounds?
The officer on the ground said that Section 151, that we are arresting you and detaining you for 24 hours under Section 151, and we asked what that section is, and he said probability of committing a crime in foreseeable future. They basically have arrested us on assuming that we go to Lakhimpur Kheri and we are going to conduct some crime.
This is important. You're saying they have actually, formally, according to them, they have arrested you and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
They have put us in custody. We are in police line in Sitapur, and they have charged us under Section 151, according to the CO of this area. And when we said what is this 151, we were told this 151 is in foreseeable future, if you are going to, there is a probability that you may carry on some crime. So what crime were we? Is it a crime to go and wipe tears of a grieving family in this country now? What crime would we have done? So it is the way the police is behaving. This is very clear. They have something to hide. They don't. Right. They have something to hide.
Dipender Hooda, is the plan that you and others, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, etc., that you will still try to go to Lakhimpur Kheri?
See, we have come here to wipe the tears of a few grieving families, to be there in the moment of pain and sorrow, to tell them that they are not alone. We are with them. I ask you if in this country this will not be allowed, and if we will be stopped and will be charged and will be sent into custody, saying that you are going to commit a crime there.
Okay, got it, Dipender
Hooda.
And
4 of us. We were just, we are not. Section 144 has been imposed.
Right.
Beautiful citizens of this country, we are happy to go, just 4 of us.
Okay, understood. You're saying that it was just the 4 of you, and yet you were arrested under a different section. But thank you so much indeed, Dipender Hooda, the Congress MP, joining us while he is under arrest. As per information he just shared with us, he, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, are under arrest in the custody of the UP police. Thanks very much indeed. Thank you.